Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM applications engineers here at Makino. I'd like to talk to you about the construction of our EDAF2 sinker machine. We're a ball screw machine. We have linear rails on all hand-scraped ways. Okay, we hand-scrape our ways for ultimate accuracy and long longevity. Our castings on our machines are compact, and our reservoir for our oil is stored down below. It's a very heavy machine and very stable because of the large reservoir of oil in the bottom of our machine. Okay, and that's a brief overview of our machine construction of our EDAF2 sinker machine. Thank you.